More cameras coming.
I think that what he said is not only really disgusting, but it's also indicative of sexual violence and rape culture, and that's really, really prevalent in this country and on campuses too. So I do think that he spoke to something that was really, really despicable for the entire country.
You can't deny it's just absolutely awful, and he's doing not a good job of trying to win this election. His chances are looking pretty bleak right now. I think you sort of got to separate the two with, being good leader versus, what he does say, because there's a lot of people who do very well in the profession who aren't the greatest people. I feel like a Trump supporter, a bit more closeted here because you just get kind of like scared because you wear this hat, you get kind of glared at.